What's up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. This is your host, James. This episode, we visit Raising Cane Monster Trucks next door. We build an awesome stainless steel exhaust system, all out of mandrel bent stainless steel tubing. We built some custom tools, like this little swage tool here to swage the transmission lines. We discovered way more rust than we thought the car had. And hopefully we pulled the engine out for the last time. If you're interested, guys, stay tuned.
Ooh, that's pretty. Alright, we'll go cut these in the building next door. Over at Raising Cane.
Alright, guys, I'm dubbing this over because we had some Axl Rose Guns N' Roses playing in the background. But this is Ricky here from Raising Cane, our building partners. And they build monster trucks and really badass Jeeps and shit over here. So check out this Jeep that he's putting together with 54-inch tires. You know how them Florida boys do it. They like them big. But he's going to cut out these exhaust flanges for me out of some stainless steel I brought over. And it sure is handy to have some great neighbors. We try to help each other out and do what we can. But he does some awesome builds. So Raising Cane Monster Trucks, Ice Cream Man, Instigator, all those come out of this shop. So here's a little walk around of this Jeep. They retain the stock chassis and pretty much built what a monster truck looks like underneath that they build. Their normal monster trucks have a full interior cage, of course, with all kinds of points on the cage to protect the driver. And JR, actually, the owner over there, got hurt pretty bad doing a backflip in his, I think it was the Instigator truck. And but this Jeep here is pretty badass. It's for mud bogging, for them Florida boys to go out in the mud and mud bog around. So I think they're going to be swapping out the engine soon too and putting some more horsepower in her. But we just happened to catch it over here today. Pretty sweet. Alright guys, what's up? Quick tip of the day here in the shop. What Gavin's laughing at me. If you need to mark a tube and you want to mark it all the way around, and you know that the cut you've got is perpendicular, you can hold the pen on something like this and then just twist your part around. And then boom, I know I got a nice line perpendicular all the way around the piece. Now when we come over here to the bandsaw,
it's really difficult to cut a piece of tubing in a bandsaw and hold it. So I always grab a pair of pliers of some sort. It could be vice grips. These are some funky pliers I got somewhere, and then that way I can control the leverage when the when it wants to grab on me.
You're not really on your mark there.
Yes, I am. Touch your mouth.
Look at it.
I'm right on the inside edge.
There
You can see how I'm kind of wiggling up and down. So I'm able to hold the tube nice and secure. I don't have to worry about cutting my fingers. And that's the quick tip of the day, guys. Good luck in your shop. Alright, we're here on a Saturday working on Big Blue. We got the start of the exhaust system here coming down off these little shop headers. It's all stainless steel. This is a little bit tricky right here. This little had to do a little bend coming down and around. And then these little vibration isolator things. But looking pretty sweet. We got a long ways to go still. Alright, we got this exhaust all fabricated up on this side. Took us all day. Still gotta cut some custom brackets there onto the stock one. Magnaflow exhaust, all stainless steel. Comes up, all mandrel bent tubing. Real nice and tight. We got a joint there. We cut these, of course, next door. We made cut the gaskets on our CNC, and then it comes down. You can see how nice it runs with the drive shaft. Runs down super tight. Makes the bend. So it's fitting real nice on these spots. Comes up. It's the little expansion thing. Up. And then up into the headers and the Coyote. So we got that main bar there running super parallel with running nice and parallel with the rocker edge. But as close as we can get it. So now I got to take it all apart and weld it, but we got the whole other side to make first. Good times. Boom.
Trying to get it. There it is.
So that's just to get the hose on there and put the clamp over it, something to keep that hose from coming off. That should work. We're digging into this rust here. We got some massive rust. So we're gonna have to, I don't even know. What a pain in the ass. And it is just a cavern up here of nothing. You can still actually see into the engine department, or the passenger compartment right there. These holes. So we're gonna try to figure out what to do here. That's not good. Yikes. Alright, we just pulled the Coyote again for the last time in the Lincoln swap here. So now we got to do some firewall work and get this all cleaned up and painted in here. And then it'll go back in for the final time. We decided to split the motor and tranny because it's a little tight getting out of there. So it made it a lot easier actually. Alright guys, that's it for this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment below, and click that notification bell. You know how it is, so that you get notified every time I put up a video. I try to upload videos every Monday morning at 8 a.m. So you have all week to watch it. Peace out, guys.